project is an exciting new project about the restoration of biodiversity, specifically wetlands.
Given the urgency of the crisis we face in relation to the loss of biodiversity in peatlands especially, Tóchar is almost ideally structured to provide the solution and to provide the resources to the communities.
It's very important at this time during the green transition that communities are brought on board and have that ownership of ecological restoration of those sites.
I think a really important part of the Tóchar project that maybe sets it apart is the direct involvement with the communities in the areas. If communities are not involved, you get things like uncertainty, you get fear, you get worry. Whereas when you have the whole community actually involved, it's a much healthier relationship between nature and the actual project and the wetlands itself.
So I own a small piece of peatland. I'm trying to restore it and bring back biodiversity. I'm working with Tóchar scheme to help me understand the best way to do that, the most responsible way, and to deliver the best impact with the most efficient way.
I think what's so fantastic about this project is that people are being listened to, they are part of the actual restoration, but also that the restoration is happening. And there are these phenomenal wetland sites across these counties that are going to be restored, and that is a really positive prospect.
Tóchar is about the journey. Tóchar means the pathway under the bog. They connected communities together, they brought people out into the bogs. And so our Tóchar project is about that. We're on that journey towards restoration of place and the restoration of community.